In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pass Stripe fees to your customer. To get started, log into your Stripe account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the left sidebar and click on Product Catalog. This is where you can manage the products and services you sell through Stripe. Next, open the product or service you want to sell. If the current pricing needs to be adjusted, click Edit Product so you can make changes. The goal here is to update the price so it covers the Stripe processing fee you want to pass along to the customer. Before changing anything, calculate the amount needed to cover those processing fees. Make sure you're using the fee amount that fits your payment setup. So, your updated price reflects what you want to collect. Once you've worked that out, increase the product price to include that fee amount. After updating the number, save the revised product pricing so the new amount is applied correctly. If you create invoices manually instead of charging through a product checkout, go to Billing and then select Invoices. From there, create a new invoice, or open an existing draft invoice if you already started one. Add a new invoice line item and label it something clear, like processing fee or service fee. Then enter the exact fee amount you want the customer to pay. After that, take a moment to review the invoice total carefully. This is important because it lets you confirm the added fee is included in the final amount before anything is sent out. Once everything looks correct, finalize the invoice and send it to your customer. If you're using payment links, the key thing to remember is that you should update the product price before generating the payment link. That way, the link reflects the correct total from the start. After creating or updating the link, test the checkout experience yourself to confirm the final amount shown to the customer includes the fee as expected. Once payments start coming in, monitor them from the Stripe dashboard. Keeping an eye on completed payments helps you confirm that your updated pricing or invoice fee is working the way you intended. One quick tip before you wrap up: always review your totals carefully after making any pricing change, especially if you sell through multiple methods like products, invoices, or payment links. A quick check can help you avoid sending the wrong amount to a customer. Thanks for watching.